Alright folks, this is Jeff and my grandson Isaiah. We're going to be doing the Norcold refrigerator. I forgot what video number it is, but we're going to take some parts and nuts and bolts off, and we're going to try to get the back off. Okay, but we'll do a little at a time. This is Isaiah. Say hi, Isaiah.
Hi guys.
And what are you going to work on today with me?
A refrigerator.
All right. So, and how old are you?
8.
All right. So, and what are you in right now?
3rd grade.
There you go. All right. So we're going to turn the camera around, and I'm going to show you a tool size and all that. And Isaiah is going to perform the task. Here we go. All right, so I'm going to bring this over to you.
What's that?
It's, what's this?
Yeah.
That's something you stand on. Oh. All right, so what we got is 2, 4, 6, 8. How many bolts we got there?
8.
All right, and then we got some tougher ones down here. See them back in there? Right in there. Okay,
Yep, I see
1, 2,
4.
4. Good boy. Good young man there. All right, so we got to take them off. All right, now.
Mom, you're doing a video.
Yeah, we're doing a recording. All right, so what we got is a 5/16 or an 8mm will work, but remember I use 6 points. All right, so Isaiah, you're going to put it on that one, and you're going to turn that way, counterclockwise. Yeah, that's why I put that there. There you go. This is my helper. Nope, the other way. And ratchet, turn. No, watch. Let me show you something. Here you go. Got it. It's called a ratcheting T-handle. All right, folks. So basically, we're going to do that on a total of 12 bolts. And while he's doing that, I'm going to show you what we're doing. We're releasing the back of this. This is the absorption unit. That's my daughter watching my grandson. This is the new absorption unit. So what we're lining up with is this right here. These holes that you see right there. We're going to line up with those. All right, this is your freezer portion. This is the part that gets very, very cold. Then the rest of the heat transfers down to the bottom one right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the freezer is about from here up, refrigerator here down. Why? Because cold air sinks. All right, you can do this yourself. All right, so all the members of RV Diagnostics, I thank you very much. We're almost at 15,000 members. This is November. I'm talking like we're 100 and some away. Thank you very much for making that page successful. When you go to that page, RV Diagnostics, go to the top, the search option. It has a magnifying glass. Put in there heater not working or something like that. Heater, water heater, and you'll bring up stuff that's already been done. And if you don't find the answer you like, then you can post on there. Now the other one is the garage at Seaford, Delaware. If you're in that area, it's in 19973. The other way to get a hold of me is the website www.rvdiagnostics.com. That's plural, diagnostics, and that's a paid membership. That's one-on-one where I help you troubleshoot. I've helped people in the Yukon, Alaska, all over the world, and that's doing very well because of you. Thank you. And what we're calling that now is Team RV Diagnostics. We're both a team, you and I. And the other way is the famous Facebook page, like I said. So you got Facebook, you got the YouTube channel, you got the website, and you got the garage. 4 ways to get a hold of me. Now, if you go to the Facebook page, you can message me about where the garage is, and I'll give you my telephone number. But I'm not doing that on here because I'll get flooded again. Thank you very much. This is Jeff from RV Diagnostics, and my grandson is there working. He's getting it. Now I'm going to put you on pause. All right, while my grandson's taking apart the front, I'm going to go over some stuff with you here. All right, so there you go. Now this is the 120 electrical in the corner of that board. Most of them are set up the same. that's your igniter. Okay. Now, what we're going to do is pull this one off, 120. All right. Now this goes up to the ice maker. Okay. See right there? And this little 120 feeds the solenoid right here. So basically, we'll take there's a ground. I ain't worried about that yet. I'm trying to get the board off. Okay. Now 120 with that fuse right there. This fuse right here is your 12-volt fuse. Okay. And then this fuse is the 120 fuse. All right. And now, believe it or not, I showed you on a heater board how to change these relays out. All right. Now, this is the 120 in and out for the heating element right here. All right. So, I'll show you a trick on that later, what to do for a troubleshooting tip. All right, all I'm doing right now is, remember, I'm not a professional video recorder, but we're going to get the job done. The board, we're going to take this connector off. That is going up into the RV refrigerator. All right, notice it goes right here. All right, now what that is, that goes up to what some people call the eyebrow board. I call it the control board. Upper, some are lower. That goes to here. So I'm going to put you on pause again. Okay, Isaiah is taking the tape off all the way around. So go ahead. We took out all them screws. You're going to lay it down like we did here. And here's the absorption unit. Yeah. Okay.
Thank you.
Here, you got your light. Hold on. There you go. Get your light, set it up. It might fall. Don't let it bother you. Alright, so we're going to take all this tape off. I'm going to put it on pause and we'll show you the next section that we do. Alright, there's Isaiah. We got one screw in here, sheet metal screw. One down in there, you can see it. I already took this one out because it was crooked and someone didn't install one here. So we're going to put one in there. Alright, now where the other screw was is the top evaporator, which was right here. See how that's loose? And then we got some more screws. Let's see. Right down
And
here.
you put the screws in here.
In one bucket, that's right. Alright. Alright, so I'm going to put you on hold again. We're going to get that work done, and I'll get right back with you. Alright, so we got most of it loose. It's coming up. We got this ground wire we're going to take off here. Isaiah's going to take it. He's putting the ratchet together now. And then this has got to get out of the way because it's part of
Papa,
the ice.
put this over here.
That's it. Don't worry about that, young man. You're doing good. Get that ground wire off for me. Alright, you're doing good. You really are for an 8-year-old. So Isaiah, this coming summer, depends how... you're going the wrong way. You're going the wrong way. There you go. Lefty-loosey for 90% of the time. Alright, so we got this loose. And then we got... See, that's the substrate. So we're almost to the point of pulling this off. There's the new one. Alright. And then we're going to call it even for today because... Alright. There you go. We got that out of the way. Okay, let's see. Alright, undo all that string right there. We'll put you on pause, folks. We're going to do a couple more things. Remember, there was a screw here, screw down in there, a 5/16 screw in there. We had one right here. Let me get you a light. Alright, that's the burner assembly. Then we had a screw right here. Okay, we're getting there. Alright, so he's got that loose. Putting on pause and I'm going to get some stuff out of the way. Alright, Isaiah and I are going to lift the absorption unit out. Alright, so I'm going to try to do it with one hand. Isaiah, grab it right here.
Okay.
We're going to lift straight up. Take it up. Up, boy. Come on, up. Go over. Oh, hold on. Hold it right there. You're safe. The 120 cord got stuck in there. There you go. All right. Oh, all right. Now I'm gonna grab it. You're gonna take this end here. You're going up. All right, ready? Go up. Wait a minute. Hold on. Go up. Go up higher. Go up higher. Let my end come down. No, you keep your end up. Keep your end up, young man. All right, I got it. All right, so let me put this on pause and I'm gonna stand it up. All right, so there's the old one out. All right. Once again, there's the tubes for the freezer because it has 8 screw holes and then 4 down here for the refrigerator. All right, it's pretty dirty. All right.
And we have a new one.
And we got a brand new one, like Isaiah said. All right, so Isaiah, out on your Pop-Pop's workbench is that little small vacuum cleaner. You go get that. We're going to clean all this up. I'm going to put you all on pause. Well, hold on. Remember the aluminum plate that was inside the refrigerator? That's it right there. And then here's the steel plate of the freezer. So we got to clean all this mess straight up right here. Got to get this mess cleaned up. And the next stage will be putting the new one in. And I'll go over how to do that. All right, here's Isaiah cleaning up the heat paste. It's got a special name. I'll let you know what that is. But all you got to remember, us old timers just call it heat conductive putty. All right, so he scraped this down. We're going to do a little bit better job, but we're getting there. That's all right. Don't worry about it. You keep scraping. I got it. Pop will clean this up. Now, we're very... See, we have the trash can. We try not to make a mess in your RV. If we do, we clean it up. All right, folks, so we're going to clean this little section up right here. Okay. I'm going to put you on pause. Isaiah, say...
Huh?
Say RV Diagnostics.
RV Diagnostics.
Okay. All right, folks, what we've done is we've really cleaned this up. All right, so I used a little bit of scarum powder right here, pad. Cleaned that up. Cleaned this real up good.
And this?
Yep. We just used alcohol, and that's cost a lot more than it used to, remember, before all this stuff happened. But we will survive. We will make it. All right, so this is the end of the video.
Diagnostics.
All right, folks. Isaiah's going to close this session on this video. What's our motto? Test, not guess.
Peace.
Test, not guess.
Guess not.
Test, not
Test.
guess.
Test not guess.
Safe travels.
Safe travels.
And may your campfire burn bright.
Campfire born bright.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right, so we got a young person here, 8 years old, working. That was my grandson. This is Jeff from RV Diagnostics. There's several ways to get a hold of me. One is in Seaford, 19973, Delaware, in the garage. Come on, sit down with me, young man. You did a good job today. The other one is, of course, the Facebook page, RV Diagnostics. One more place is the YouTube channel. Can you guess that name? RV Diagnostics. And if you would like one-on-one training through the video chat, phone, transferring pictures, swapping pictures, information, and I can guide you step by step with multimeter, wrenches, scanners, anything with your tow, your car, your truck, your RV engine, gas or diesel, Allison, it don't matter. You sign up on the website,
Hit that like button.
www.rvdiagnostics.com. That's RV Diagnostics, it's plural.com. Once again, our motto is test not guess. May your campfires burn bright and safe travels. Thank you very much.
Bye.